Usually when somebody wants to build a house, they hire an architect, hire a builder, buy their plot of land and go in a traditional way. Very often they go over budget, very often they get the running costs they didn't plan for, and so they don't achieve that improvement of life quality, at least not in the way they planned. I have friends who have went the traditional way, and I see from their life that while they have to spend more money on their house, they can't spend as much money outside the house, like traveling and education, hobbies, stuff like that. I want to show you a system that makes a house building affordable. First, it's prefab. Means all the building parts are prepared in factory. And why it is good? Well, there are many question marks if you build from scratch. Can I build today? Can I cut this? Is it enough materials? We have already cleared all these question marks. We have shipped hundreds of homes, and we have solved all the friction points in that. So that's why the prefab is good for you. Second, the shape. Why we do triangular shape buildings. First, it is the most simple shape you can build. Well, actually, there is one more, even simpler shape, is a triangular pyramid. But the problem with the triangular pyramid is that if you want to grow it in size, it will grow crazy high, and that's no good. That's why we do like we do them. And Avrame have proved themselves since 50s, actually even before. So it's nothing new really, but it just works. The triangular shape is also good because you have less ceiling area, means less materials, but you don't need much ceiling area. You only use ceiling for attaching some lamps, right? You need the floor area. The floor area is the same as with a regular house. Ceiling is less. Also, the volume inside the house. Because of the shape, you have a little less volume inside of the house. Not much less, but a little, which means there are less cubics of air to heat and cool. So this one is cheaper. Also, most of the house is roof. We are using standing seam steel roofs which have 50 years of warranty. You don't need to worry about the maintenance of a roof. The building cost depends of many things, but some of the main things are the design features. If you build a very complicated roof for your house with many dormers and skylights and stuff, this all costs money. It's also harder to maintain. A-frames are very simple structures. They cost less. And often I've seen people making that mistake that they see the budget going high and they start to save on materials instead of design. What it means, they get a very complicated house which is even more expensive to maintain and upkeep and heat and cool and everything, because they have saved money on the quality materials to keep their complicated design. Not a very wise thing to do. Of course, again, if you have a big budget, that is not an issue. You can go choose whatever design you like and still use high quality materials and hire people to do the maintenance. But if you are on the tight budget and if you're not a filthy rich person, these are the things you should consider. Most of us, we use our houses for about 30-40 years. So when you are doing the calculations for a new house, you should think the building cost plus, let's say, up to 40 years of running cost. That's your total cost. And sometimes saving money on the building cost will add quite a number on the upkeep. and vice versa. You spend more on the insulation materials and the upkeep will be cheaper. Do that math. We will have some calculators, online calculators to help you, but that's very, very important to understand that the materials, the complexity of the build, the size of the build, the way you build affects not only the construction budget, but your upkeep and maintenance budget. The design of our houses and the engineering already takes care of quite a number of problems. The triangular shape, it means that the roof will be mostly self-cleaning, not 100%. Sometimes you do need to use a pressure washer or something, but mostly it's self-cleaning. You don't need to clean gutters because roof goes to the ground. There is no need for gutters. Another saving point. Repainting the house, it's still there, but in a very, very small amounts. Just the gable walls, and since we are using pre-painted claddings, they are factory painted with UV hardening paints, which last way, way longer than something you can do on site. But it doesn't mean that the design is 100% locked or fixed. You still have a lot to say. The interior walls are just partition walls. They are non-load bearing. So before ordering, you can rearrange the room's layout the way you wish. You can add dormers, you can add decks or terraces. You can play with colors. There are quite a lot of options to make the house your own still. Nevertheless, you still are keeping the cost down with our system of design and engineering, even if you make your own changes. The costs are much more predictable, not only on the building, the construction budget, but the long-term running cost. But of course, well, these are just my words, and you may think that, well, it doesn't apply to you, that you have a good builder, you have nothing to worry about. So watch the next video.